Hi everybody, I just wanted to record a quick video to say to you that I'm really excited about coming to Thailand to do a seminar. It's the first seminar that I've done in Thailand in I think it's about 3 years. So it's going to be good to see some old faces that I know and hopefully see a lot of new faces. As many of you know, the seminar is going to be an event that we're using to raise funds to help Kurt's family. So I know a lot of you have done your practitioner course and you've done your master prac course with Kurt, or for some of those of you who haven't, you've certainly heard about NLP and perhaps read some books about NLP. One of the keys that I think that really makes the difference when it comes to NLP is the ability to be able to apply it in real life. And that's what this seminar is going to be all about. For 2 days, I'm going to be showing you some of the techniques that I learned from some of the top NLP trainers around the world, from not just things that they told me in courses, but share with you some of the things that from private conversations that I had with John Grinder about how he was using certain techniques, how him and Richard Bandler both used the meta model at the start on themselves long before they used it on anyone else. I'm also going to be showing you some of the more cutting edge NLP, some of the stuff that perhaps due to time constraints doesn't make it into the practitioner courses and the master prac courses that some of you have already been through. And also I'm going to be showing you some tips really of how do you take this great learning that you've got in NLP and how do you start to map it across your life so that you get the most amount of benefit for it. So the way we're going to be doing it is we're going to have 2 days. We're going to be going from, I think it's 9 o'clock in the morning, probably to about 5 o'clock at night. And then we're going to have 2 breakout sessions. We're going to have one breakout session which is aimed at the Thai people in the audience. So in that breakout session, I'll actually be teaching in Thai. So you're most if you don't speak Thai, you're most welcome to stay and learn a little bit about how to speak Thai a bit better. Perhaps I'll show you how I used NLP to be able to learn to speak Thai fluently within 6 months. And also after that, we're going to be having another breakout session for all the practitioner and master prac students from Kurt's courses. And that's going to be a session that allows you to ask perhaps some more advanced questions about NLP, or some of the things that you went through some of the trainings with Kurt and that you're perhaps not sure about or would like to find out more about how to implement them. So that's going to be going on throughout the course. I'm going to be covering a wide range of topics. I'm going to be teaching you about New Code NLP, which is actually the second sort of main school of NLP, which actually a lot of people sort of pass over and don't learn much about it in their practitioner course or their master prac course, but there's definitely some really good techniques there. I'm also going to be teaching you about neuroaction, which is an offshoot of NLP, which allows you to model people very quickly and to work out what key skills people are using to be successful at something. So I'll be talking about that a fair bit over the 2 days, and I'll be giving you some good examples of that from some of the people that I've modeled, some of the top salespeople that I've modeled. The big thing I've been doing for the past couple of years is modeling the business geniuses, people like Richard Branson, people like Akio Morita, the guy who made Sony so big, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs. I've just finished some books on some of these people, on their mindset, and we're gonna I'll give you a quick taste of that so that you sort of have an understanding of that. And one of the big reasons why I did this seminar, apart from the whole concept with Kurt, was that I really think that one of the things that I admired Kurt for so much was his ability to build the NLP community inside of Bangkok and inside of Thailand. And I'd hate to see for that community to fall apart. So one of the things with this seminar is trying to encourage that community to meet and perhaps practice your skills more often and get together in a way that allows you to be able to learn more about NLP together and improve your skills in NLP together. So it's 2 days. I think it's on pretty sure it's on the 25th and 26th. I'm really looking forward to flying up there. I'm really looking forward to doing it. Really looking forward to meeting a bunch of new people, and again, like I said before, seeing some old faces. And what I would tell you is either look at the information on this sales page, or give Kunwirot a call and confirm exactly where the place is going to be and the exact times, etc. So until I see you at the seminar, I really look forward to you being there, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.